Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Quantum TWS Air earbuds and you're trying to control the noise cancellation features on these earbuds. So basically you can have it off or you can have it in Ambient Aware, which is a type of noise cancellation that still lets some sound in so you know what's going on outside. And then there's also the TalkThru mode, which basically lowers the volume in the earbud and then does noise cancellation on what's outside, except it actually augments what it thinks is talking sounds so that you can hear somebody talking to you when you have your earbuds in, so that you can talk with them in. So we can do this on the earbuds. Doesn't matter if we're connected via the dongle or via Bluetooth. It works both ways the same. All we need to do is on our, it does have to be the left earbud though. It will not work on the right earbud. That controls something else. So on the left earbud, just a single tap will toggle it. We'll toggle the noise cancellation from off into the Ambient Aware mode. And then a single tap again will toggle it back out of Ambient Aware to off. And then if we want to use the TalkThru, then all we have to do is double tap the left earbud, and that will put it in TalkThru mode, and then double tap to get out of TalkThru mode. So hopefully this helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if it did work for you, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.